Joe, how you doing? Hey, you've been servicing my water softener for years, and I know in today's age that there's new technologies coming out. On my water softener, it's done a good job. Is there anything new that's out on the market?
There sure is. It's called an Aqualitic water processor. Just to make sure that you know exactly what we're talking about, let me explain it to you because I know you're an engineer.
Right.
Okay. It's a self-contained unit consisting of a stainless steel casing that contains a non-ferrous catalytic core.
Joe, you know I'm an engineer.
I'm trying to explain it to you.
You know I'm an engineer. I can read your data. You can give me a copy of your data.
Okay, I got 16 pages.
Tell me straight up how this thing works.
Okay. Doesn't use any salt. Doesn't use any water to backwash. There's no waste at all. It's an electronic process where we're changing the ionic molecular composition of the hardness ion so it doesn't precipitate out onto your counters or your dishwasher.
Tell me in English how this thing works.
Okay. No scale, no corrosion in your house. Not using a water softener.
Well, does it keep my dishwasher as clean as my softener does?
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. You're not going to have any white calcium scale.
Not even on my shower stall?
No, no. But just like a water softener, you have to remember you have to wipe the surfaces every now and then, just like you would on a water softener.
And how about like the salt that I put in my water softener? You know, I put a 40-pound bag in every month.
Well, let me ask you something, Jim. Do you like carrying 40 pounds of salt every month to your water softener, ripping it open, putting it in?
I'm getting older and I got a bad back. I'm getting tired of carrying all this salt. You mean this thing doesn't use any salt?
No, it doesn't. It doesn't use any kind of regenerant. You don't have salt, you don't have sodium chloride, you don't have potassium permanganate, which is really kind of poisonous. Nothing, nothing. It's on your wall. As long as you have electricity going to it, it's going to do its thing.
Maybe you should show me what you have.
I'd love to show you.
Let's go look at it.
Let's take a look at it. Come on, Jim. I'm going to have you kicking and screaming into the modern age. This is it.
You got a controller and a piece of pipe in this blue box. Yeah, I've seen these filters before, but it doesn't look like it's anything special.
It is. It is. This is stainless steel. Take a look in there. You see the baffling in there, in the middle?
Yeah, kinda.
What's happening is that water's coming through here, and it's coming through and it's creating a turbulence along with the electric charge. The electric charge is adding electrons in here, changing the molecular composition of the hardness ion. It comes out here, and it's not going to stick to anything. It's not going to stick to pipes. It's not going to stick to your dishwasher. It's not going to, your laundry's going to come out better. It does a lot of things that the softener would do, but without the salt, without the maintenance, and all the other things.
Well, notice you got this blue box here along with it. Does this work in conjunction with it? I mean,
it can. This is something separate. This is a ultraviolet light, and so if you're concerned about bacteria and viruses coming into your home or whatever you're doing, this will take care of that. But it's not part of this processor.
Okay.
We're just talking about this right here.
Yeah, I've got the carbon filter at home. You come in and change this every year. This, I think, has really saved my house on my water conditioner. Do I have to have the same thing here on this processor?
You don't have to. This thing will nullify the chlorine smell that you get in your house. But this will actually remove the chlorine. This is a big blue filter housing. And the cartridge goes in here. It's going to take out chlorine, dirt, sediment, reduce the bad taste and the odors. So I'd recommend that we put this here. We could put this in place of the spin filter. This is really for a well. Okay, we can put that right there.
So everything. This is the whole thing. I mean, I'm used to the big tanks and the big round black tank that you got that I pour salt in.
That's history, unless you want it sitting as real estate in your garage. But this is all you need. Goes up on the wall. Water comes in, water comes out. You have electricity and the ions hitting this chamber in here, and the water flow also augments that. This is all you need right here.